अर्धकाय महावीर्यं चंद्रादित्य विमर्दनम सिंह का गर्भ संभूतम तम राहु प्रणमाम्यहम. Rahu is smoky in appearance with a blue mixed physique. He resides in forests and is horrible. He gives unconventional approach and is intelligent. He is windy in temperament. Rahu has the capability and capacity to break the boundaries and work against all adverse circumstances in a native's life. When Saturn, Mars, Rahu, Sun are in 3rd, 6th, 10th or 11th house in a chart, they provide the native an extraordinary power to face adverse circumstances and rise. That is, such natives make a comeback in life, change the circumstances and fight the negativity and add longevity to their lives. Rahu in 3rd house is good as it increases the efforts of the native. Rahu in 6th is special as it destroys the Shadripus, diseases, enemies and loans. If Rahu is in the 6th house and Jupiter is in Kendra houses 1, 4, 7, 10, it makes Ashtlakshmi Yoga, that is providing 8 kinds of wealth. Saubhagya, Santan, Dhanya, Dhairya, Vijay, Aishwarya, Samrajya and wealth. If this yoga is also formed in the Chandra Kundli, then also it is effective, but not to the extent as it is in Lagna Kundli. Rahu is good in 3, 6, 10, 11 houses for longevity and prosperity. Rahu in 9th house is as good as 9th Lord in the 9th house. It will develop affinity with father, religion and guru if he is with the lords of the 1st, 5th or 9th house, and it also increases prosperity. 3rd, 6th, 10th are called Trishadaya Bhavs by sage Parashara. Say if somebody's Rahu is in 9th house and it comes in contact or makes connection with the 3rd, 6th or 11th lords, the native can go against religion, righteousness, father and values. Natives having Rahu in 4th house and Ketu in the 10th house should come out of their comfort zone for success. If 5th house Rahu is connected to 3rd, 6th or 11th houses, it will destroy intelligence. If no one is sitting with it nor aspecting it, then it is like 5th lord sitting in the 5th house. Rahu in the 12th house is called bad because this is the house of charity and moksha. If the 12th house Rahu connects with the 1st, 5th or 9th lord, the native will spend on religion. And if the 3rd, 6th or 11th lord, he will spend wealth on bedroom pleasures. If Rahu is sitting in the 8th house with 1st, 5th or 9th lord, it is good. But if it is with the 3rd, 6th or 11th lord, it will bring problems. Rahu in Kendra houses 1, 4, 7, 10, making connection with 1st, 5th or 9th lord and vice versa is good. A very important sutra is that the house in which Rahu or Ketu is sitting, if makes connection with the house lord, create a powerful Raj Yoga. Rahu in 3rd house is good for the native but bad for his younger siblings. 6th house is good for native but bad for maternal uncles. If in 10th house it is good for the native but bad for mother-in-law. 11th house Rahu can give cheating from friends. If one is facing problems of Rahu during its dasha or antardasha, he should chant Om Ram Rahuve Nama, Om Bhram Bhrim Bhramsa Rahuve Nama, Om Nagdvajay Vidmahe Padmastai Dhimahi Tanno Rahu Prachodayat, or float a dry coconut off and on in running water. Keep away from non-veg, smoking and alcohol. Float barley washed in milk in running water. Keep your home or place of residence junk free. Wear a lead ball in your neck. Keep your toilets neat and clean. Keep your passions in control. Meditate. Worship Lord Shiva. Chant Om Namo Shivaya or Mahamrityunjay mantra. If there is Moon Rahu conjunction in your chart and you are facing problems, you should start worshipping Lord Krishna. Thank you.